Papa.
Here he goes. Look how tall that guy is. He's huge, isn't he? Watch this. Here he goes. Boom.
Boom. He got plunged into feathers.
That's crazy, isn't it?
It's like so crazy.
So, I think that goose was cooked. I hope likes it. Where's the bird? Oh, he got hit. He didn't show it.
Are you
Broke his
serious?
nose. Bro, how would you like to ride a roller coaster and come out bleeding like that? That would be awful.
I never want to bleed like that in my life.
Awful.
Awful. So awful.
All right, so you ever think about